Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In the last video, we talked about trigonometric ratios and the Pythagorean theorem. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the topic and go over some extra details to help you understand even better. So before we jump in, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay with me until the end. As you know, if we have this right triangle, the sides are A, B, and C. And here we have the angle theta. We show the side opposite to angle theta with A, and the side adjacent to angle theta with B, and the hypotenuse with C. And we know, according to Pythagorean theorem, we have C squared is equal A squared plus B squared. For example, if A is equal 3 and B is equal 4, so C is equal 5. And we know that this is a special triangle. There are some other special triangles. For example, here 3, 4, and 5, or 5, 12, and 13, or 8, 15, 17, or 7, 24, and 25, or 9, 40, and 41, and 11, 60, and 61. For example, if A is 5 and B is 12, so the hypotenuse is 13. And if you multiply 3, 4, and 5 by 2, you get 6, 8, and 10 triangle. Or if you multiply 5, 12, and 13 by 3, you get 15, 36, and 39 triangle. As you know, the longest side is the hypotenuse. Now we can easily write the trigonometric ratios for each of them. For example, for these numbers, we can write sine theta is equal, if A is 8 and B is 15, so C is 17. So sine theta is equal the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal 8 divided by 17, and cosine theta is equal the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So is equal 15 divided by 17, and tangent theta is equal the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So is equal 8 over 15, and cotangent theta is equal the adjacent side divided by the opposite side, is equal 15 over 8. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. 1 over cosine theta is equal 17 over 15. 17 over 15. And cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine, is 17 over 8.